I'm going to switch my phone carrier from Telenor to MPT because the MPT connection is better in my area. Today, all the coverage is awful, or today, all the signal is awful. The MPT coverage isn't very good today. Which carrier is good in your area? There is no signal here, but we can use the internet with Starlink. Does Orly2 have the best signal? She sent me a text message to say she won't be coming. I texted him yesterday to say that I couldn't come the next day.